shit. Like, somebody save me. Like, why is there so many of these? All right, we're going to have to hit the scroll button. Clickety, clickety, click, click. Somewhere in here. Nope, that's not the one. Is that the one? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yes, it is. Anyway, enjoy this for the intro. Shout out to Geo2, my dude.
Yo, man, I feel so like I'm blessed, man. Everything's turning out good for me. I'm turning out good. Like, even the sun went up. Even the sun went up. Man, yo.
Fucking cunt. You fucking cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt.
I hope Teresa Richard, Sweet Sugar, I hope you fucking kill yourself. I hope you kill yourself. Hostel, I hope you fucking kill yourself. I hope you kill yourself. You should kill yourself. I hope you kill yourself. Kill yourself. You totally should. You totally should. You know what? At this point, let's just say that everyone involved with you motherfuckers should totally kill yourself. You should kill yourself. I would totally be okay with it. If most of you took a gun to your head and shot yourselves in the fucking head. And I would fucking laugh. I would fucking laugh if you fucking did that. Alright? I would laugh if you took a fucking shotgun, put it in your fucking mouth, Andrew, and pulled the fucking trigger. I would fucking laugh. Oh my god, that would be funny. That'd be so hilarious. Kill yourself, cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. You evil, nasty, kill yourself, cunt. Bitch, fucking cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Deep, fucking kill yourself, cunt. Oh my god, Swedish Sugar took one of her legal firearms, put it in her mouth, and just finally was done with it. I would fucking crack up fucking laughing. That would be hilarious. Because that's how much I give a fuck about you people now. You set me up with fucking charges. You motherfucker. You think it's I will never forgive you for this shit. Ever! Deep, fucking cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Ever! Fucking kill yourself, you cunt. Deep. You fucking kill yourself, cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. You people are lucky I didn't go to fucking Rada's home and fucking kill him. Fucking cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. You people are playing a fucking thing fucking on thin ice right now. On thin fucking ice. And you think it's a fucking joke till someone gets hurt. Deep, fucking cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. You think this is a fucking joke? Till someone gets fucking hurt. Deep, fucking cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. Fucking cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. Kill yourself, cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Deep, fucking cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. And I promise you, someone will. On my fucking life, motherfuckers! You fucked with my fucking life! My fucking life! Kill yourself, cunt! Kill yourself, cunt! Kill yourself, cunt! Fucking kill yourself, cunt! Deep, fucking cunt! Deep, fucking cunt! Kill yourself, cunt! Fucking kill yourselves! How about that? How about Teresa Richard? Take one of your legal firearms and shoot yourself in the fucking head, bitch. You AIDS-ridden fucking HIV fucking whore. STD fucking cunt. You fucking cunt. Fucking kill yourself, cunt. You evil, nasty, fucking sick fucking bitch. You murdered your fucking kids. You burned your fucking kids. Kill yourself. How dare you judge me?
What a fucking memorable moment. Gotta love that content. Well, how appropriate, since we're going to watch YouTube suicide tonight. Yes, that's right. We're going to watch someone sabotage year-long